It says the determinant of the matrix is, so we have to multiply this and this. So this becomes 1 times 4 minus 3 times 2. This gives us 4 minus 6, which is minus 2. So the determinant will be minus 2. Minus 3 times 2. This gives us 4 minus 6, which is minus 2. So the determinant will be minus 2. Alright, if x plus y equals 5 and xy equals 6, let's call this equation 1 equation 2. So from equation 2, we have x equals, okay, let's say from equation 1, we have x equals 5 minus y. Okay, now substituting into equation 2, this gives us 5 minus y times y equals 6. This gives us 5y minus y squared equals 6. So moving it all over, we have y squared minus 5y plus 6 equals 0. So we factorize. Alright, factorizing this, we have 6y squared. This becomes minus 2x and minus 3x. Okay, so we have y squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 equals 0. So this gives us y is common, y minus 2. So this should be y and this should be y. Y minus 2 minus 3 brackets y minus 2 equals 0. So y minus 3 equals 0, y equals 3, and y minus 2 equals 0, y equals 2. Okay, so they now say we should find if y is, so when y is 3, our x will be 5 minus 3, which is 2. Okay, so it's easily interchangeable. So either y is 3 or x is 2. So for here, we have x to be 2 squared plus 3 squared, which gives us 4 plus 9, which is 4 plus 9 will give us 13. So our x squared plus y squared would be 13. The geometric sequence 3, 6, 12, and so on has a common ratio. Okay, now for us to find the common ratio, we are having it as T2 over T1 or T3 over T2. So our T2 here is 6 over 3, which gives us 2, or 12 over 6, which gives us 2. So our common ratio would be 2. If fx, f of x equals x minus 2, then f0 would be 0 minus 2, which leaves us with minus 2. So when we solve our vector effect here, will give us 2. So f0 would be 2. The equation y equals 2x plus 3 intersects on the y-axis at, so we have y equals 2x plus 3. Now, for your x-axis, on x-axis, y is always, your values for y is 0. So on x-axis here, every value of y is 0. While on y-axis, every value of
Get the cheapest science materials from allschoollabs.com.
x, and on y-axis, your x equals 0. So for us to find the intersection of this graph on the y-axis, this becomes 2 brackets 0 plus 3. So this gives us 2 times 0 will give us 0 plus 3. So this gives us 3. So when y equals 3, x equals 0. So our intersection will be at 0 and 3. So 0 and 3 would be our intersection. So if limit x tends towards 0 for sine x over x, alright, our value would be 1. Where we have lim x tends towards 0 for sine x over x would give us 1. So the number of permutations of 4 distinct objects taken 2 at a time. For our permutation, we have it as n factorial over n minus 1 nr factorial. Alright, where n is our 4 and r is our 2. Okay, so in this case, we have it as 4 factorial all over 4 minus 2 factorial, which is 4 factorial over 2 factorial. So this gives us 4 times 3 times 2 factorial all over 2 factorial. So 2 factorial cancels out, giving us 12. So our answer would be 12. If y equals 3x, then the second derivative is, so y equals x raised to power 3. So our dx, which is the first derivative, will be 3x squared. Alright, then the second derivative, ddx, the 2dx will give us 6x. So our second derivative will be 6x. The area of a triangle with base 6 and height 4 is, so let's have a triangle. If the base is 6 and the height is 4, we know that area equals half base times height. So this becomes 1 over 2 times base 6 times height 4. So 3 times 4 will give us 12 centimeters. So the area would be 12 cm squared. If vector A is perpendicular to vector B, then A dot B would be 0. Vector A multiplied by vector B would be 0. The vectors of y equals x minus 1 squared plus 2x. Alright, so we have it as y equals x minus 1 squared plus 2. Okay, but we know that for our vertex we have it as x minus h squared plus k. Alright, so in this case our h is 1 and our k is 2. So our vertex will be 1 and 2 will form our vertex. If sine x equals 0, then our sine x will be our constant times pi. Okay, so if sine x equals 0, then our x will be our k times pi. The slope of the tangent line to y y equals x squared at x equals 1 is, so for us to find this, we first differentiate d dx will give us 2x, then apply this, 2 times 1 will be 2. So the slope of the tangent would be, of the tangent length to y x squared at x equals 1 is 2. If the probability of probability of an event A is 0.6 and probability of event B is 0.5 and A, B are independent, alright, of
Run quick tests and analysis. Visit analysis.africa.
each other. So probability of A intersection B will be 0.6 times 0.5, which will give us 0.3. The equation x squared minus 4 equals 0. So this can be x squared minus 2 squared equals 0. Alright. So this will be x minus 2 all squared, which gives us x minus 2, x plus 2. So our solution will become x equals plus or minus 2. Okay, our x will be equals to plus or minus 2. If an equals 2n plus 1, then a5 equals, so if an equals 2n plus 1, a5 equals 2 bracket 5 plus 1. So this gives us 10 plus 1, which gives us 11. So our answer here would be 11. Alright guys, with this we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If there are any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section below and we will attend to it. Thank you. See you in the next class. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this link with your friends. Thank you.
Hi, I'm sure you enjoyed the video you just watched. To see more content as that, preparing you for your upcoming exam, make sure to smash the subscribe button and turn on notification. Also, remember that you can use the comment section to send us your questions or your inquiries, and we are happy to take them. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.